Meaning of double digit.
Double digit.
Double digit.
Double digit.
Double digit. The term double digit refers to any number that is between 10 and 99, inclusive. This means that any number that has two digits, including 10, 11, 12, and so on, are considered double-digit numbers. These numbers are important in many different areas, such as finance, sports, and education, where they are often used to describe percentages, scores, or grades. In general, double-digit numbers are significant because they represent a range of values that is larger than single-digit numbers, making them useful for a wide variety of applications.